Money can buy luxury, but it can't buy three priceless things. Time. Once it's gone, you can't buy it back. No amount of wealth can rewind the clock. Health. Money can pay for doctors, but it can't guarantee a cure or true well-being. Real connections. True love and friendship come from the heart, not your bank account. At the end of life, no one wishes for more money, only for more time, better health, and deeper relationships. These are life's real treasures. Welcome to Finance School. Today's topic, 3 things you can't buy with money. Let's go to our video. We've all dreamed of earning more money, making our lives easier. More money means bigger homes, luxurious vacations, new cars. These are the success metrics for many of us. But sometimes it's essential to question the place of money in human life. Can you really buy everything with money? What are the things that money simply cannot purchase? Today, we'll examine this question in detail and discover 3 things you can't buy with money. Time is perhaps the most valuable thing that money cannot buy. Imagine this. If you wanted to get a minute of your life back, there's nothing you can do to achieve that. The hours you spend earning money, the time you sacrifice from your work, your family, or yourself. No matter how much money you make, there's no way to get back even 1 minute. We often realize the value of time only after we lose it. Some may argue that money allows people to buy time by hiring help, housekeepers, assistants, or even using private jets to travel faster. But is this truly buying time? While these conveniences might save time in some areas, they do not extend a person's life or allow them to relive past moments. Billionaires with all the resources in the world still age at the same rate as everyone else. No matter how much we try, we cannot stop time or turn it back. Since time is limited and irreplaceable, using it wisely becomes more important than making more money. Many successful people eventually realize this and start prioritizing experiences, relationships, and personal growth over material wealth. Living in the present, making meaningful memories, and spending time on things that truly matter are far more valuable than financial success alone. A friend of mine once told me, "The most valuable things are those you can't buy with money. Time, love, experiences." These words always echo in my mind, as time reminds us how precious life really is. I remember when my grandfather was in his final days. He didn't talk about his possessions or money. Instead, he spoke about the moments he wished he had spent with his loved ones. This was a life-changing lesson for me. True wealth is measured by time well spent. Health is one of the most important aspects of our lives. But sadly, most people only realize its importance after they lose it. Around the world, there are many people who spend millions to regain their health. But no matter how much money they spend, they can't always get their health back. While money can provide access to better healthcare, treatments, and nutrition, it cannot guarantee a full recovery from serious illnesses or undo years of neglect. Medical advancements have allowed people to live longer and healthier lives, but even the best doctors and hospitals cannot prevent all diseases. Some conditions are irreversible, and despite having the financial means to afford world-class healthcare, people are still vulnerable to aging, genetic diseases, and unforeseen accidents. It's not just physical health that money can't buy. Mental health is equally important. In today's world, mental health is becoming an increasingly significant concern. Anxiety, depression, and stress are just a few of the issues many people face. And while therapy and treatment options are available, no amount of money can guarantee peace of mind. True happiness and inner peace come from within, not from external wealth. Last year, a close acquaintance of mine went through a major health crisis. After a successful treatment, they often said, "Money can't replace health." No matter how much money you spend, you can't always regain what's lost. That's why maintaining and valuing your health from an early age is crucial. A healthy lifestyle, stress management, and regular checkups should be prioritized, not just when problems arise, but as a long-term investment in well-being. Money can create superficial connections between people, luxury vacations, gift shopping, or dining out at expensive restaurants. However, money cannot buy true friendships, sincere relationships, or heartfelt love. Real friendships are built over time, with trust, shared experiences, and genuine care. That's why one of the most valuable things that money can't buy is the authentic connections we form with others. Many wealthy individuals often struggle with knowing whether people genuinely like them or just their money. It's easy to attract attention with wealth, but difficult to find people who truly care. When money is gone, those who were around for financial benefits usually disappear, leaving behind only those who were sincere from the beginning. One day, I was talking to a friend who told me that the happiest thing in their life wasn't money, but someone truly loving you and being there for you. In that moment, I realized that no matter how important money is, it can never replace real friendships or love. A true friend, just by being there, can bring happiness. In other words, money holds no value in matters of the heart. Life is filled with ups and downs, and during difficult times, having people who truly care can make all the difference. Money can provide comfort and luxury, but it cannot replace a supportive friend, a caring family member, or a partner who stands by you through thick and thin. A billionaire once admitted in an interview that despite all his wealth, he felt lonely. He had everything he could buy, mansions, yachts, private jets, but he lacked deep human connections. In contrast, I know people with very little money who are surrounded by love and friendship. This shows that financial success does not necessarily bring emotional fulfillment. Although money plays a significant role in our lives, we must accept that some things cannot be bought with it: time, health, and real human connections. These three things are the things that can't be purchased with money, and they are precious beyond measure. While experiencing the most valuable moments in life, it's far more meaningful to think about how we can add value to these things rather than seeing them as monetary goals. If one day we can truly appreciate these three things, the rest will follow. Because true wealth is found beyond money, in appreciating time, valuing health, and building genuine connections. So, while working towards financial success, let's not forget to invest in the things that matter most: our time, our health, and our relationships. These are the real treasures of life, and no amount of money can replace them. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.